baby, here we go.
Hi guys, so obviously as the title says, grill install. So today we've got Katie here. She's got this lovely little coupe, silver white, perfect colour. She's already had loads of stuff off us, as you can see. So light surrounds, the boot, the badge covers, the Cooper S. She's got our tips on there, the handle. So basically, really good customer. So today she said to us, what else can I do to my car then, guys? I've got all this. So we've just had a look round it. So as you can see, stunning car. Perfect colour. So today we've invited her over because we've got something new in stock. So obviously we'll come around there. You can see his handles, scuttles are done. So everything is gloss black on this car, as you can see. So she's gone with that theme of gloss black. So what we've got new in stock is the aero grille. So these are going to be available for all the R56 models. Coupe, Cooper S and JCW. So obviously you need to order the right one for your model. They're slightly different on the corners here, so we're not putting one on the other and it doesn't quite fit. These are both purpose made for your car. So we'll go on now to show you how to fit it. So we're going to start on the top grille surround. So obviously Katie's is already black, so we've been relieved of that job. Luckily we're going to show you how to do it. So on the grille there's 4 screws. So you've got crosshead screws there. There's 1 there, 2 there and 2 there. So obviously you take those off first. What we recommend, I mean I've got these and these are just perfect for it, but any long nose pliers or anything that's just going to grip the base of this clip here. So you'll see it's like a little V. So all you do is press each side in like that and then push the grille up and obviously work your way along, and that's how you get the top bit out. When reinstalling, just make sure when you drop it in, all these tabs will just poke through. Once they're poked through, then you can do that and just tighten it up. So we'll go on to the next part. So you're going to need a trim tool for this. So obviously on the front grille, dead easy removal. You've got 4 clips there and they're just basically headed clips. So you slide the trim tool in between, pull that out and then pull the whole clip out. Once it's out like that, just take care not to drop them. And you've just got 4 of those to do. Just like that. The next bit is, it's going to be hard to film this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off and then I'm going to show you how the clips work. So just behind here, and it is quite tight, there's some little scissor clips. I'll show you how they work in a minute because obviously I don't want to try and film while taking them out. Right, so once it's off you'll see on these here, this is what you was aiming at. So on them there, you've got some little scissors. And all you've got to do is push that side in there to release it. Same on that one. So we'll just show you how to take this off. So there's some little, as you can see there, little clips that go in. And there's also some here, but they pull out to allow that clip out. So basically you pull that, push it out, and then you're just going to go along, lift these tabs all the way along. Just need a little bit of pressure in the front. And that's it. One more on that end. And there you go. So we'll get the new one out, lay it on here nicely so we don't scratch it, and we'll come back and show you how to put it all back on. Right guys, so there it is, nice and safe on top of there, so we can fit this bit. So on there, again, you're just going to follow the tabs basically, so that in the slot there, and then just touch it along as you see. Don't clip it in as yet. Make sure everything lines up, make sure that one's in, and then it's just snap in. That one will hold it there. So once you've got it at that point, obviously this, same clips again, exactly the same as you removed it. So you'll see there, got your big slots. All you're going to do is line that up. Again, nice and gentle until you've got them all in. As such. That's in. And then you're going to get your clips. So obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, and put them in. Just another pointer, guys, so on these little clips here, not everyone's, so obviously when you push that in, it splays that open there, so leave it like that, pull your grill back as far as you can, so that's nice and flush, and then that'll lock it in like that. And obviously just do the same for all 4. Right guys, so there you go, that's all clipped back in nice and tight. So there we go. As you can see there, the difference is absolutely amazing. So you can buy these on our website, www.kilochrome.co.uk. Go and take a look. As always, YouTube watchers, Mini Bitz 10 gets you 10% off all our products, so use that at checkout. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
To forget my words, 'cause when I'm around you, I tend to keep changing my mind. I promised myself not to slip back into old habit, 'cause heartbreak is savage and love is a bitch.